Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Just a real quick video for you all out there. If you haven't been to your local Home Depot lately, you definitely need to check this out if you're in the 40-volt environment. They have this little nice clip-on fan that goes onto the top of a 40-volt battery and this nice little light that goes onto the top of the 40-volt battery. Both of these actually have framing hooks on them as well, so you can use these in all sorts of different locations. These are both on sale for less than $10 a piece. So you can pick up this 3-function light. It has bright, medium, and low. And then you can pick up this fan that has high, medium, and low as well. This thing actually puts out a lot of CFM. We really like having this little booger, but at $10 a piece, that is an absolute steal. So make sure that you go to your local Home Depot as soon as you can to pick these up before they're all out. Also, if you're in the 18 volt, they have the current gen HP Brushless Reciprocating saw on sale for $102 right now. That is closeout because they have the next version that's going to be coming out. So I picked this one up today for $102. That's a really good price. These normally float between $139 and $159 depending on your location. So this is an extremely good deal. They also have the current gen HP Brushless circular saw on sale as well, and that is another $30 to $40 off depending on where you're at in the States, and that is an extremely good deal. They do have another version that's going to be coming out, but there's nothing wrong with that version. If you don't mind getting the gen that's going out, I'd highly recommend picking either one of these tools up if you are in the need for either one. Thanks for watching this quick little video, and if you have any questions or comments about these tools, please leave it down below.